Hi, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with no money for 2021. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you can get notified every time I put out a new video on how to make money online or how to grow your affiliate marketing business. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so today we're going to go over how to make money online with affiliate marketing for free. So we're going to go over which affiliate platform to use that accepts affiliates in over 200 countries. I'm going to take you through how to sign up, and then I'm going to show you where and how to promote your affiliate links. And then, of course, I'm going to take you through the best free traffic source to maximize your earnings. Okay, so the site we're going to go over today is Clickbank. And if you've been on TikTok for any length of time, or you've been on YouTube for any length of time, you've heard of Clickbank. So I'm going to take you through real quick just how to do it, just how to make it work, okay? So first you want to go ahead and sign up. Click on the sign up button. You're going to fill out your information, countries first. And as you can see, they do have over 200 countries that you can choose from. Okay, fill out your information, phone number, email, password, and continue to terms and conditions and join Clickbank. You're going to get an email to confirm your subscription. Go ahead and click on that email and it'll take you back to where you go ahead and log in. Okay, so your email or account nickname is actually going to be inside of your affiliate link. So make sure when you set up your account nickname, keep that in mind. That's what they're going to see inside of that, or you're going to see inside of that hop link. Okay, so mine I set up years ago. So I'm going to go ahead and click log in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the marketplace. Here are all the different categories of products that they currently have on Clickbank, but I'm going to take you through just how to promote the best one. So the best categories that you want to go into are health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the types of products that are inside of those categories sell like crazy. That's what most people are searching for online. They're searching for how to get rich. They're searching for how to get skinny. They're searching for how to get better abs. They're searching for how to get the girl, how to get the guy, how to save my marriage. Think about it. Those are the categories that people are actually searching for. So those are the products that you want to target. There are a couple of, like, I guess you could say weird categories, and I'll touch on those briefly, but let me take you through and show you here. Okay, so business and investing, you've got your wealth. All right, so if you want to promote one of them in there, business, let's see, is it entrepreneurship? Yep, small biz entrepreneurship, right? Then you have I didn't want that, parenting and families. So there's your divorce, your general marriage, parenting. Okay. Then you have your, oh, I didn't want that. Health and fitness, right? Health is big right now. So if we look at diets and weight loss, we're going to start there because it's a pretty easy niche or category. I don't like saying the word niche or niche. I'm going to use the word category. So it's a really big category that a lot of people understand and a lot of people are searching for. So it's a real easy sell. Okay. So you want to sort your results by gravity. Basically what gravity is how many affiliates are actually selling and selling the product. So of course, the higher the gravity, the better the product is. So right here, we've got a gravity of 455. This gravity is 422, 130. A good rule of thumb is anything below 50, or maybe 20, anything below 20. But if you can find one that's 50 or higher, that's a fantastic product and it's definitely worth your time to promote it. So even this one with 66, right? 45, I'd maybe take a look at that one. So we're going to start with the custom keto diet. I'm going to start with this one here. So if I wanted to open this one, I'm going to open it in a new tab so we can take a look at this page. So here's the page. It starts with a video. This is what the customer will see when you bring them to your link. They'll go to this page. get your custom keto diet. They'll click play to play the video. Okay, so you can kind of look at what the pages that they're going to go to. So now you want to look at your affiliates page so you can see, and I'm going to open that in a new link as well. So you can kind of see. So you want to put in your name and your email address and access the affiliate tools. Now, what the affiliate tools are tools that the product creator is giving to you as the affiliate to use as your own, which is awesome. Not every vendor does this. So this is fantastic when this happens because they give you everything you need. They give you landing pages. Okay, so download the sales page. So, okay, so here's here's some articles. And again, you have to download everything, which is weird because then we can't see them. Here's your keywords. Click to download your keywords. And that looks like it's in Excel. So let's open this up. So they're giving you the keywords for you to put in any review videos, any blog posts that you want to write. These articles, these are blog posts. So that you can go ahead and put a blog post along with your affiliate link. So they give you all of these tools to help you use to sell their product, okay? So obviously the more money they make, the more money you make. So the better you are at selling this, the more money they make. So here's your standard link, okay? But we're gonna go another way to get your hop link, okay? Let me close this out. So once you're in here and you're like, okay, yep, I like it. They got tools, they got everything I need. I'm gonna go ahead and promote this product. So you go ahead and click promote. That's gonna generate, and again, this is where your account name comes in. So that's why it's important to make sure that that's what you want. Now, tracking ID, let's say you are gonna advertise this on YouTube or TikTok or wherever. So I'm gonna select TikTok. Okay, is my tracking ID. So that way I know if they click on this link, it'll be TikTok. I can generate another one and say YouTube, generate another one and say Facebook. Wherever you're advertising it, you can put the tracking ID so that you know where your clicks are coming from. All right, so now we're gonna generate the hop link. And here's your link. You go ahead and click this button over here and it copies it to your clipboard, okay? So we went over which affiliate platform, Clickbank, how to sign up, Clickbank, and now we're going to go over where and how to promote your affiliate links. So I'm sure everybody's heard of TikTok. If not, this is TikTok. So one of the places that is growing exponentially right now is TikTok, and a lot of affiliates are using TikTok to promote their links. This will bring you unbelievable amounts of traffic to your link. So just to give you an example, I wanted to click on this one. As you can see, she's got 578 followers. We're going to promote a custom keto diet for $46. And of course you can promote this one if you want for $131. It's got really good gravity, which means it's selling really good. Okay. So the bigger the promotion, that's totally your choice. So if you click on her link, it takes you over to her Linktree. This is her Linktree. So if you click on, what did I click on? Keto Coach Blood Ketone Monitor. This is just one of her links. This is just my opinion. This is too many links. Too many links. Now I can see having 3, 4, 5 links, but this is too many links. I would recommend doing just like 4 links. If you can, just do the one. If you only have the one thing to promote, you'll just have that link in your bio. But I'm going to show you how to set up a Linktree, okay? But once you click on Keto Coach Blood Ketone Monitor, it brings you to this page. Not that page, this page. So basically she is, and watch this, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and look, they have an affiliates program. So you can become an affiliate of this program as well. So also along with the Clickbank product, you can be an affiliate of this product. And then you can have 2 links in your bio, meaning a link tree with 2 links. And you can promote this product as well and let your buyers choose. Okay. The next one I wanted to show you was Keto Snacks. He's got 258 followers, 258,000 followers. Clicking on his link tree, and this is what his looks like. So he wrote a book. He's got Keto Crate, my YouTube channel, Butcher Box, which crazy enough, I just got on that plan. Not through him. I just Googled it. Keto Coach, Keto Mojo. So I clicked on one of them, and I think I clicked on his book, my book, and it's literally takes you to Amazon. Okay. So the next step we want to go through is signing up for a Linktree account. Okay. So go ahead and type in linktr.ee. I think I'm going to log out so I can take you through it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to take you through is how to put these links in your bio. So linktr.ee, linktr.ee. If we look at the pricing, it's free forever. Okay, so there is a free plan. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Get Started for Free. And I think I'm already logged in, so it logged me in automatically. So once you do your verification, which again, I have mine up there, you can start adding your links. So let's go ahead and add the link. Remember the link we grabbed here? We grabbed this link here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add New Link. I'm going to paste it here. So there's my hop link. I'm going to enter a title, and let's take a look at this product. Brand new keto diet, insane. Well, let's see. Fully custom. Okay, so we went to this one here. And this is where the tools would come in. So it would give you those titles to your articles, your banners, your social media. Melt fat fast with the keto diet. So we can just do that. Melt fat fast with the keto diet. There you go. What is this? So we turn it on, click off there somewhere, and you get to see a preview of what your link looks like. Melt fat fast with, that's a lot to say, with the keto diet. And then of course, like I said, you can add another one. So you can put, and I'm just going to pretend this is my YouTube channel, and I can put subscribe to my YouTube channel for more keto recipes. Or let's see, because in your TikTok, you want to be putting your keto recipes in there. You see what she's got here? Link in my bio for the pans. Okay. Stuffed peppers. She does show herself, but look at these views, 32,000 views. When you click on one of these videos, she's literally taking you through how to make something, how to cook something. She's got that fast coach program, so she's an affiliate of that as well. So she's showing that. So that's really all you got to do is just upload recipes. Let's see this one. I clicked on that, so let's go back. He's got recipes here. Recipes. That's all he's doing. So all you need to do is upload keto recipes. You can find them on the free sites, Pexels or Pixabay, or from YouTube. You can download free videos from YouTube. So there's my, so we got channel that's separated. I don't quite like that too much. Let's see if we can space that out a little bit. Nope, guess not. It automatically puts it in there. And then of course over here you can see your analytics to see how many views and how many clicks you get on your links. Okay, so that's Linktree. So that's the link right here. You take this link right here, sorry, this link right here, and you want to copy this, copy link address, go into your TikTok account, edit your bio. You want to edit it. Of course I can on here, I'm not sure why. And then you want to go ahead and put that link right here in your bio to your Linktree so that you have a couple of different links to utilize, okay? So let's see, did we get everything? So we went over which affiliate platform to use, how to sign up, where and how to promote your affiliate links, and the best free traffic source to maximize your earnings. So as you can see, TikTok is huge. You can get these views in no time. Like these videos were just put out today or yesterday. What's this one? When did he put this one out? 6 days ago. And he's got 12.8 thousand views on it. So if 1% of that 12,000 people went to his link and bought something, that's 1,200 people that bought something. That's pretty good odds. I like those odds. Okay. So we went over best free traffic source. Now there are other ways that you can promote your affiliate link, but I would recommend using the Linktree because you don't want to be putting this link here on your Facebook page or anything like that. So if you give the Linktree link, which has your Linktree.Michelle Welch, that's your whole link. Most people know what Linktree is. So they know, okay, well, this is going to be more than one link, but it still looks good. And you can customize your page any way that you want. So I hope you got some value. I hope you learned a few things. You can start affiliate marketing for free. As you can see, none of that cost me any money. Signing up for Clickbank didn't cost me any money. Signing up for TikTok didn't cost me any money. And signing up for Linktree didn't cost me any money. So you can start promoting affiliate products for free on your social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram. Instagram is kind of the same thing as TikTok now. The reels are huge on Instagram. So if you're promoting on TikTok, promote on Instagram as well. It's huge. Promote everywhere you can. That's just more traffic you're going to get to your links. That means more money, right? All right. So I hope you got some value. Thanks so much for tuning in. Check the description. I'll be putting all the links down there for everything that I've mentioned in this video. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you again. Talk to you soon.